Welcome to the IntelliSport Tennis Instructor Guide, Section 7. Today we're going to go over your timesheet as well as rules and regulations. Here's an example of a timesheet that you'll receive. You'll put your name here, the pay period you're currently in, which can be found on the back of your binder that you'll receive in your instructional kit, the time that you arrived to the appointment, the date, how many sessions that were completed. So that means if it was one child or two children, you'll list the number here. You're going to initial the lesson, and the client has to provide a signature stating that they completed it. This timesheet, the survey, and the confirmed appointments in the application should all be submitted on the Sunday of the ending pay period. So every 2 weeks on Sunday by midnight, you are to turn this timesheet in, and then you're compensated that following Wednesday. If you run out of sheets, it is important that you make copies. You are not to write Monday's appointments on Tuesday or Tuesday on Wednesday. If there's more than 6 appointments in a day, then you'll take another sheet and you'll mark it accordingly with the dates and the remaining appointments. Do not scatter them on this page. If the payroll department cannot read your handwriting or verify the signatures, you will not be compensated. It is highly important that you make sure that this is well organized and that it matches the application. So payroll will look at the confirmed appointments on the app and the appointments on the timesheet with the signatures. So they're matching the signatures with the application. If there's no signature, there's no pay. If there's no confirmed appointment, there's no pay. Remember, when you confirm the appointment, it charges the client and it pays you. So if you did not confirm it, then nothing was charged or paid out. You have to make sure you follow these steps. Next, we're going to go over rules and regulations. There is a tardy policy. If you are tarding more than 3 consecutive times, your paycheck will be docked. We take promptness very seriously. You should arrive to your appointments before time so that you're on time. Not on time, or else you're going to be late, or after time. You're still considered late. The clients will call in and report tardiness. It's important that you leave in well enough time to get to your appointment, because remember, if you're late to your first appointment, then you're going to be late to your remaining appointments. No cellular devices or electronics are allowed during the time of the lesson. If it's urgent, then simply walk away after you inform the parent and the child that you need to take the call. Timesheets. We spoke of this as well. You must have signatures on all of the timesheets. Failure to comply will result in a docked paycheck. You must wear approved tennis gear. We spoke of this as well. And you have a 30-day probation period. During this 30-day probation period, you are not to miss any days, sick days, or what have you. You will receive vacation time after this 30-day probation period. If for whatever reason you cannot continue with the position, you must provide a 2 weeks notice, or else you will not be compensated for those past 2 weeks. You want to stay at the court at all times. Ensure that you do not walk away and leave the child unattended. Thank you for tuning in to Section 7, Rules and Regulations.